Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? Okay, good. So, how's your day? Enjoying, very nice. So, grade 4 students, I welcome you all again in our science class. So, grade 4 student, nowadays we are studying a chapter with the name of electricity and magnetism. Grade 4 student, it's our science chapter number 12, and today we are going to start from day 8. So, can you please remind me our yesterday task? Yes, it was about group discussion. Now at page number 132 we have today's activity. So are you ready? Okay, good. So today's activities is called question making. So I think now you are habitual for this activity that after every chapter we have to make some tricky questions, and I think this activity is also same. Question making, make some tricky questions, yes, from this chapter and ask your classmates or from your family members to answer them. So grade 4 student, I am here. I have made a few questions for you and you have to add some more. So be ready. I am going to tell you about our first tricky question from this chapter, and the chapter name is electricity and magnetism. So grade 4 student, my first tricky question is, what does the north pole of a magnet do? What does the north pole of a magnet do? Now I am going to tell you my second tricky question from this chapter. In what unit, kilogram or kilometer, do we measure electricity? My next question is, how does a circuit work? My question number 4. And the tricky question is, why do the people who climb up the electric pole wear rubber boots and gloves? My next and question number 5th tricky question is, what can you see inside a motor? My next tricky question is question number 6, why is Earth called the biggest magnet in the world? And my last and question number 7 tricky question is, where can you find a magnetic field? So I am going to repeat all the questions again. Question number 1, what does the north pole of a magnet do? Question number 2, in what unit, kilogram or kilometer, do we measure electricity? Question number 3, how does a circuit work? Question number 4, why do the people who climb up the electric pole wear rubber boots and gloves? Question number 5, what can you see inside a motor? Question number 6, why is Earth called the biggest magnet in the world? And the last and question number 7 tricky question is, where can you find a magnetic field? So grade 4 student, this is our today's activity in our science class. So now I am going to tell you about our home assignment. So what is your home assignment? You have to watch and listen this video again, and you have to write all the tricky questions in your copies. You have to write these 7 questions in your copies, and you have to add at least 2 more questions in this list. Then altogether 9 questions you have to send to your grade 4 science teachers. So grade 4 student, this is your today's homework assignment from the chapter electricity and magnetism. Take care. Allah Hafiz.